Hello everyone, it's Zach, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install Python, install a text editor for Python, and then through that editor we're going to create a Python program to run our program. Sounds cool? Sounds cool. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Google. We're going to type install Python, and then it'll be the first thing that comes up from python.org. So in here it says download Python 3.9.1, which is the latest version. So we're going to click that. It'll start and download. Go ahead and open this, and we're going to hit install now, but first we're going to add Python 3.9 to the path. This will allow us to run Python from the command line, but we'll see that in a little bit later. So hit install now. So let it go through and install everything for it. Alright, cool. So now that it's finished, we're going to hit close. Okay, so now we got Python. Now we need to get the text editor. So there's a bunch of different editors you can use for Python. The ones I've used are PyCharm, Spider, and Sublime. And Sublime I think is the easiest to set up for beginners, so we're going to go ahead and do that one. So we're going to type in Sublime into Google. Sorry, it is Sublime Text or Sublime Python. First one will be sublimetext.com. Go and click that. And then right here for Windows is download for Windows. They have another download button up here. We're going to click download for Windows. It'll start installing. Go ahead and open it when it's done. There'll be a pop-up that says you want to make changes to your device. We'll hit yes. And then it'll ask you where you want to install it, just anywhere you want. Where it recommends is fine for me. I'll hit next. Hit next again and install. Okay, we're finished. Awesome. So now that we have Python installed and Sublime installed, we're going to go to the search bar down here and type in Sublime. Go ahead and click on that. Alright, so now we've got an open text editor. Right now it's not Python specific because this just thinks it's an empty text file. So we're going to go up here to File, Save As, and you can, wherever you want to save it on your computer is fine. I have a destination I want to go to. So we will go not there, right here. And in here we'll create a folder, we'll call this examples. And right here, we'll say this is example1.py. Make sure you add that .py at the end. Otherwise it won't register this file being a Python file and we won't be able to run it the way we want to. So I'll go ahead and save it. Awesome. So now we have a file. We just got to put stuff in the file. So what we're going to do is we're going to make the file output something back to us. So what we're going to do, type in print, open and close parentheses, and then we're going to type in single quote. It'll put two of them. So in between the single quotes, we can now put any characters we want. So we can make words, sentences, paragraphs even. But yeah, so we'll go ahead and type in hello. Awesome. So now we have it says print hello. So now Sublime's default to run your program is to hit Control B. So we'll go ahead and do that. And then at the bottom, there'll be a little console where our program will have sent back to us the hello. All right, so then from here, we can change this hello into something else. Let's make this a sentence. So we have this is an example. Oops. All right, so we hit Control B. It runs it. Now at the very bottom right here, you see it says this is an example. Awesome, cool. So I also mentioned that you can make paragraphs, because if you do this and you just decide to press a space right here, it's gonna kind of freak out a little bit. So in order to have multi-line text like this, you will have to add two more quotations right here. And now you can type all the stuff you want. And then run it, and then voila. So yeah, it's a pretty easy way of just displaying what you want to go onto the screen. Awesome. Well, I hope you guys liked the video, learned something new. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.